Rumors have circulated about Daniel Ricciardo's future at Red Bull Racing, with speculation that Liam Lawson could replace him. Lawson, who impressed by replacing Ricciardo at AlphaTauri last season, has been considered as a possible candidate for the spot. However, the New Zealand pilot downplayed these speculations, stating that for now, they are just rumors. In an interview with the F1 Nation podcast, Lawson expressed his lack of knowledge on the subject. "To tell you the truth, I have absolutely no idea," the driver said. Meanwhile, Le Mans winner Tom Kristensen offered insights into Ricciardo's challenging start to the season, highlighting the difficulties the Australian driver faced in the early races. Despite being close to his teammate Yuki Tsunoda in the standings, Ricciardo failed to achieve the expected results, culminating in a first-lap collision with Alex Albon. Kristensen acknowledged that performance standards at Red Bull are high and that just being close to Tsunoda is not enough to ensure Ricciardo's permanence on the team. With Ricciardo's best result being a modest 12th in the home race in Australia, doubts arose as to his suitability to remain in Red Bull. Meanwhile, his teammate Tsunoda has stood out, showing consistency and avoiding mistakes. Amid these speculations, uncertainty hangs over Ricciardo's future at Red Bull and the possibility of Lawson taking his place. The New Zealander remains calm in the face of rumors, but the question remains, will we see a change in the team in the coming years? And what do you think about the possibility of Liam Lawson replacing Daniel Ricciardo at Red Bull? Leave your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates and exclusive reviews of the Formula One world.